Safety height is the safe vertical distance where the tool moves up before traveling to another position. It protects the tool and machine from hitting the workpiece, clamps, or fixtures during rapid movement. Do the following. To enter the menu interface, press Menu. To enter the interface of manufacturer parameters, select 5, MFR Param by pressing Down-Up and press OK. To check the safety height, select 17, Safety Height, by pressing Down-Up and press OK. Input the safety height and press OK.
Then press ESC